planning a trip to Ooty? This is the best itinerary that you will need. So let's go. Day 1. Mysore to Ooty road trip. To reach Ooty, we booked a cab from Mysore. It starts with a scenic view of Bandipora forest. Along the way, we can spot huge wildlife like elephants, deers, peacocks, and even tigers if we find lucky. Best to travel through the forest is from morning to evening so that you can enjoy panoramic views. You can also try a wildlife safari and jeep trekking in Bandipora forest, which is a great treat for your eyes and heart. You can have your lunch in Bandipora forest and continue the rest of incredible adventure through Mudumalai forest. You will reach Ooty by evening. In Ooty, we can find budget stays to luxury hotels. You can book a hotel near to bus station so that it will be easy for your traveling. We booked the hotel in advance, so directly checked in hotel by 7 p.m. That's it for the day 1. Please do like, share and subscribe for more videos.